Right, we're looking at equations of circles now. There is a standard thing, and I'll see if I can squeeze in. I've had to fit in 3 different questions here. This is what you should know: x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals, oops, I'm just squashing in, r squared, right, for a circle of radius r and centre AB. Okay, so there you go, that bit you should know. Now, looking at this, it says find the equation of a circle whose diameter has the end points 0, 7 and 2, 5. So that's your diameter, so the midpoint of that is going to be the centre, isn't it? So midpoint is going to be, well, I'm going to do 0 plus 2 divided by 2, 1, 7 plus 5 divided by 2 is 6. Right, so that's the centre of our circle. Now, next thing we're going to do is find the length of the diameter. So the diameter, we're going to use Pythagoras here. Alright, equals this. So 0 to 2 is 2 squared. Alright, 7 to 5 is also 2 squared, so I'm going to get, now even if it was minus 2, which it is, 7 to 5, isn't it? Okay, when I square it's going to be positive, which is going to give me root 8. So now I stick these values into my general formula, right, and I get that. Nice and straightforward. Good. Now it says find the distance of the chord on a circle with m points 1, 3 and 3 minus 1 and the centre of the circle 4, 7. Now you should know that a radius, okay, will meet a chord at its midpoint at 90 degrees. Alright, that's the shortest distance. So what we've got to do is A, find the midpoint. Okay, so first things first, midpoint, okay, is going to be well, 1 plus 3 divided by 2 is 2. 3 plus minus 1 divided by 2 is 2, 1. And again, I'm going to be using the distance. I'm going to be using Pythagoras. Okay, so Pythagoras from, and hold on, I'll just get the green pen out, from here to here. Okay, so 4 to 2 or 2 to 4, whichever way, it doesn't really matter. It's 2 squared, and 1 to 7 is 6 squared, right, which gives you, well, that's 4 plus 36 root 40. They may ask you to give it in the form a root b or something, so that's going to be what, 2 root 10. Okay, pretty straightforward there. Now then, purple pen, ready to get the purple pen out, lucky purple pen, here we go. Now it says find the central radius of the circle with the equation that plus that. Alright, good. So therefore, what we're going to be doing is completing the square, alright, twice. So I'm going to complete the square with the x parts. Alright, I'll get my green pen out. So the x parts there and there, I'm going to get x, oops, sorry, purple pen, poor old purple pen, here we go. Right, x plus 3 all squared, and remember to take away 9 plus, and then I'm going to look at the, I'll get the yellow pen out for these parts here. So we've got y, oh, jeepers, all these colours confusing me, aren't they? Right, y minus 2 all squared, take away the square of 2, and I've got plus 4 equals 0. Tidy that all up. Okay, we should end up with x plus 3 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared. Now then, that cancels with that, doesn't it? So I get minus 9, so equals, oh, crumbs. Dear, oh dear, oh dear, equals 9. Right, so therefore the centre is going to be minus 3, 2, and the radius equals 3. Alright, pretty straightforward. Okay, with circles there are only so many things. They'll ask you about tangents to the circles going to a certain point. They'll ask you about normals to the circle. Right, but ultimately, alright, it's all stuff you've done before. It's all about gradients, it's all about Pythagoras. And you've just got to remember that x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared. Ultimately, that's what you've got to remember. All right.